Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATNM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, and a very rough day. I mean, on Friday, the price, with the way it closed, things were looking quite optimistic, and then the first 30 minutes here, the price just plunged to the downside. But this is also what brings about a very interesting setup now going forward. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that get really beat down quite quickly, and then all of a sudden they just level out. And not necessarily that happens every single time, if only trading were that easy. But there can be some very nice movements, back to the upside. And that's what we have here. Because again, yes, that first 30 minutes, things really did plunge to the downside. But then the price did level out here and found some good solid support right around 22.5 cents. I mean, you can see multiple times the bears try to press down through that level and could never quite do it. So that, they're holding strong there. And not just a question of, is this some sort of bottom going forward? Is there going to be some sort of dead cat bounce to the upside? Again, don't get me wrong. And like I said, I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price has started to at least go sideways after such, a downwards force this morning does not mean that for sure this is the bottom and that for sure a bounce is coming. Now, is that at least a rational thought to have? Absolutely. Case in point, let's just say that the price was still just going straight down. And I was sitting here saying that, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking, based on what? The price is still going straight down. But in this situation, at least the price is going sideways. Again, does that mean that it is the bottom? No, but it's a valid question to throw out there. So keep an eye on that. And then also that just makes 22.5 cents very, very important. Because if the price violates that, well then it's not the bottom, right? Because now all of a sudden the price is going to new lows. So quote unquote new lows being anything below 22.5 cents. In the event there is any sort of bounce to the upside, keep a close eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. That's essentially what rejected it this morning, and the current value of that is at 25 cents. So yeah, a very brutal day today. However, from a trading standpoint now, that's set up an interesting setup. So we'll see how this one plays out going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.